children, we welcome to Indian Central Schools, School of Music. We start our electronic keyboard online classes during the summer vacation from today. Those who are interested can learn it free from our school YouTube channel. The keyboard is a wonderful instrument. It's simple to learn and master it. It's not only a profession, but it's also a hobby. The benefits of learning keyboards are many. If you become an expert, you can become famous and earn money. As a hobby, it will help to release your stress, improve concentration, passion, discipline, encourage creativity, activate left and right brain, strengthens hand-eye coordination and boosts self-esteem. Before we begin, let me introduce keyboard to you. We recommend that you practice at least 30 minutes each day. This is enough tune to play, scales practice, chords and do position change.
Children, let me introduce a part of keyboard, means how it's functioning. At the beginning, very important at the beginning, you just press this is the power switch. Okay, connect with adapter here and switch on. How to switch on? Take long press and the light will come here. That means it's already switch on. After that, nothing but because this knob is not used. This is the volume knob. This is going to right side, means it will increase and decrease. See. Decrease. Accordingly, your music you can adjust with this knob. How much you want to increase, how much you decrease. Okay, medium volume. This is medium volume. This is higher. Higher. Accordingly, functional keys I introduce in the next class as we study songs and all. The main part of a keyboard is white and black keys. This is white, black. These are the keys. In this keyboard, there are 61 keys. You will hear 60 and extra one more. That means 7, C2 B7, again C2 B7, C2 B7, C2 B7, C2 B7 and extra 7 into 12 plus 1. These white keys are full packed. Okay. And black keys are 2 plus 3 pattern. This black is 2 and 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, like it will go. Now come to first key. So let us familiar with white keys. Now come to the first key. This is C, is called C. Okay, first key is called as C. You can see the alphabetic over here. I wrote C, D, E, F, G, A, B. This 7 keys C, D, F, B. Get to C to B. The first key C, D, E, F, G. There is not music. There is not H at all. C, D, E, F, G. After that, go to A. No H. Directly go to A, B, and C, D, like the same the alphabetic order. So music has 7 notes that I'll introduce after later in the same class. In any music in the world, there are only 7 notes. If any music, in Western music or Indian music, any Arabic music, there are only all the music having only 7 notes. So in our Indian music, 7 notes: sa, re, ga, ma, pa, da, ni. Then again they will repeat the same pattern. Sa. Repeat sa, re, ga, ma, pa, da, ni, sa. Again sa, re, ga. It will go like that. So in Western music, for vocal they are using practice this sound. Do, re, mi, fa, so, la, ti. Then sa means do in Western music. Re means re. Da means mi. Like that. So, re, mi, fa, so, la, ti. And again the pattern will go higher note. Same thing. Like this. Do, re, mi, fa, so, la, ti, do. Re, mi, fa, so, la, ti. It will go like up. But in writing in alphabetic, instead of sa in Western music, it is C. In this Western music, for keyboards and any instrument music, they are using this alphabetic order. So instead of sa, there will be C. Then re, that is D. Ga is E. Ma, F. Pa, G. Da is A. N is D. Same methodology. Okay. There are number of pitch. Okay. Numerical number order. C is first key, and D is second key. E is third key. F is fourth key. G is fifth key. A is sixth key. Seventh key is B, and the eighth key repeating same first. Same 8, 1, 2. It will go like the C, D, F, G, A, B. Clear? Okay. Now we will move to black keys. Black keys are used to play sharp and flat. Okay. You will show that this is all white keys are knowing as natural keys. Okay. Black keys are used knowing as sharp or flat. How it is sharp and flat? In writing method, sharp is writing like or mentioning like this sign. This is called, in musically this is called sharp, but in calculator you can see the slash same as this same. Okay, this is called music. This is sharp mode. Sharp. Okay, this is called flat, like small. Now I told this sharp and flat now. How it is become sharp and flat? Children, while you playing the natural key C, D, E, F, G, A, D, in between the black keys, I told that is sharp and flat. In the ascending order, while you play C note, immediate next key is called in the ascending order, going to right side. So that is C sharp. Okay, and this next note is, you know, that is D, and next to D, next to black is D sharp. Okay, then after that natural E. There is no black key in between E and F. Okay, so that means there is not flat, there is not sharp for F. Okay, directly go to F. There is not sharp for E. Directly go to F. Like that, F sharp, G sharp, A sharp, and B. So there is no sharp for B. So directly go to C. There is no black key. That's why this is no sharp. Okay, I explained about sharp. How is making coming sharp, or how is making the sharp. This is C sharp is right side moving. That's sharp. The same time we'll go to descending order, left side. Descending order is a descending order. I'll play descending order. After C note, there is no black key. So there is no flat for C. Directly B. And next note, when you ascending order, I told this is A sharp. But descending order, it is called B flat, because next to B. This is B flat and this A, natural A. And this is, before I told, this is G sharp, ascending order. The descending order, that is B flat. A and A flat, G flat, and F. So next note B black key. So this is directly go to F, E, and E flat, D flat, C. So ascending order, this is C sharp, and descending order after D, that is D flat. Got it? So in this case, all the keyboard, there is no sharp of E, directly F, there is no sharp of B, directly C. Same way, there is no flat for C, B, directly B, there is no flat for E. Got it? Now C, C sharp, D, D sharp, E, F, F sharp, G, G sharp, A sharp, B, directly C. And descending order, C, B, B flat, A flat, G flat, F, E flat, D flat, C. Okay? Now I think you are familiar with chord keys, right and left. So we will move to octave, an octave. An octave means this, this 5/7 key white plus 5 black key. 7 plus 5, 12 key. This is called as an octave. This keyboard is 7 octave keyboard. How? C to B 12 notes. This is first octave. And another C to B second octave. And this is third octave. This is fourth octave, and fifth octave. One more C. So total 61 key with 5 octaves.
Okay,
The next chapter is chords. Chords. Chords means the chords are using for the backing, for the melody or singing. When our singer will sing, we had little water song. Happy birthday to you. They say, happy while singing, the backing is chord. They are playing there something else that is chord. Any song. While playing, the left hand will play the chord. While playing the melody, right hand and left hand is I played chords. Chords using for the backing, for supporting for the singers, or supporting or backing for the instrumental player. So what is chord? Chord is the combination of 3 or more than 3 notes. Okay. Now in this white key, in the white key C to B, we have 3 major chords. That is C chord, F chord, G chord. Like that, same 3 minor will come. D minor, E minor, A minor, and very famous, important chord G7 chord. Okay. How is C major? C major is combination of notes C plus E plus G. So C to E, there is in between there are 4 keys. Means except this C, C sharp and D sharp, and fourth key is E. So like the C major chord, next key is E. So after C, fourth key is E. So means 3, 4, and next key is G. Means after E, F, and F sharp, G. F sharp, G. So don't count this one. After C, 4, and after E, 3. That means 4 plus 3. That's called major chord. 4 plus 3 is major chord. In C major chord, 4, 2, 3, fourth note is E, and after E, third note is G. F sharp, G. The same way in F major chord. After F, don't count this F. Fourth note, just check the fourth note is what? F sharp, G, G sharp, A. So next chord note is A. Then third note is, except this A, third note is A sharp, B, C. So combination of F major chord is F plus F, A plus C. And next go to G major. G major same like this. G major is fourth note is after G first tonic. This all the note is called starting note is called tonic. So after that G sharp is second, first A is second, A sharp third, and B is fourth. So fourth note is B. So the next note is B for the G major chord. And third note, how will you find out? Third note after B, 1, 2, 3. That's D. So G major combination note G plus B plus D. Such a way you can find out any chords. If it is C, F, G, if you want to find out any other chords in C, there are all major chords. D will come. But D is tonic note is D. Starting note is called tonic. I forgot to say that. This is tonic note. After tonic note, go to fourth note. This D sharp, E, F, F sharp, fourth note. So that is second note for D major chord, F sharp. After that, 4 plus 3. The theory is 4 plus 3. So after F sharp, don't count F sharp, G sharp, A. Now you got D major chord. Like that you can find out E major chord. So that also like that. Tonic note is E, first note is tonic. After that fourth note is what? 1, 2, 3, 4, G sharp. Second note is G sharp for E chord. And what is the note for? What is the next note? Third note. Third key, and third note means third key. A sharp, B. So E major combination note. You can find out any. If you use this method, you can find out any major chord. Okay. You understood how to find out. That is one more chord I will teach you. B major. This B note, B major means tonic note is B. Starting with B, that is B major. Tonic note is B. After B, go to fourth note, fourth key. 1, 2, 3. Oh, you found the fourth key is D sharp. And after that, third note, third key. After D, except this one, 1, 2, 3, F sharp. So, B major. Such a way you can find out any major chord. So come to minor chord. Minor chord in the white keys you get any minor. I told D minor, E minor, F minor. Then how you played C major? Same the opposite way. This means 4 plus 3 is major. Same way minor is 3 plus 4. Opposite. 3 plus 4. 4 plus 3 is major. 3 plus 4 is minor. How? D minor. Go to minor. Any minor. We need to go to D minor. D minor starting note is tonic note is D. After third key, I told third key. This is first key, second key, third. You got the third key is F. And after that fourth key for minor. After E, F. 1, 2, 3, 4. E minor. Okay. Now D minor chord is notes is D plus F plus G. Okay, go to F, E minor. How to find out? Find out the first note. I want E minor. How you find out? First you press this tonic note E and go to third note 1, 2, 3. Second note you got it and go to fourth. 3 plus 4 is a theory. 1, 2, 3, 4. Minor. That means third note is for the E minor B. Like this, one more chord I teach you. How to find out A minor. How do I find out A minor? Press first key, tonic note A. And what's the theory? 3. Third key. 1, 2, 3. Third. And what's the theory next is 3 plus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. This is a minor chord for A minor chord notes. A plus E. Such a we can find out in this. You want F minor. How we find out F minor? I taught only D minor. In these white keys, depend on white keys only we got D minor, E minor, A minor. For F minor, how will you find out? First F minor. F minor is press first F. Tonic note is F. Go to third note. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. This is first note is F sharp. Second note G sharp. The third 3 plus 4. Okay, third note is F. G sharp. So we'll go to we want next note. How? Fourth note. 1, 2, 3. A sharp, B, fourth note is C. Like that you can find out any minor and major. Use this method, you can find out any major or minor. Clear?
Children, let us learn a simple rhyme. The song is Mary had a little lamb, using limited white keys in one position.
This is the first human voice recorded in the history of music by Sir Graham Bell. Only listener was his pet dog. That means the recording company's logo is a dog with gramophone. The recording company name is HMV. H means his, M is master, his voice, his master's voice. Let us start the song. How to play this Mary Little Lamb with this five. In this melody, only this covering only five notes. You can play with these five notes. That means C, D, E, F, G. Only the five notes coming for this song. So I wrote the alphabetic notes. Actually, musically you have to write another way. That is staff notation. Now you play only for the beginners format. You can play with alphabetic order. Okay, this alphabetic order. First note is E for the song. E, D, C, D, E, 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 D, 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 E, 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 D, C. Again, one more time I am repeating. E, D, C, D, E, 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 D, 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 E, G, G, C, Now we played without any rhythm. Tempo. According to the tempo, we have to count all the things. All the music depend on counting. Without counting, no music. This type of music with rhythm or particular tempo. Tempo means speed. You can use convey your convey. How much speed needed you choose it. I am choosing medium speed. But you cannot play this much fast. The start with slow time, speed. Okay. For that you have to count. First count is E, second count D, third count C, fourth count D, and after 4 again start with first count. E first count, second count also is E, third count also is E. Then after fourth count I didn't write anything, only one I wrote the line. First count it is blank. I didn't write anything, only line. Above this line and above this E, I covered one line, curved line, like rainbow one line, curved line. This line called as tie. In the musically, this called as tie. Tie means you press this third count E, and fourth count nothing I wrote. This line means touch the note to fourth count. 3, 4. Before fourth count, you should not lift your finger. Clear? Okay, I'll play this one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Till there you hold the finger. Clear? Okay, I will go to tempo with this song. With count also. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This here also one line. Covered tie is there. Then again 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, here also tie. Then here third line 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. This here the note is touching to first to fourth count. Means 1, 2, 3, 4. This C should not lift before the ending of fourth count. This is a long note. This sustain to first to slow and fast. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Go to proper tempo. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now this song, how the sound will come with backing. Backing means all full orchestra. In keyboard we can do like this. How to function this backing and all in the keyboard, only the keyboard I will teach you next time, next class. Just we go to the song how we come with backing picture.